Hey guys, in this short video, I don't know why my little drone didn't record the audio through the phone like it's supposed to, but we're just taking a little walk around in this rest area in Arizona. See me trot up ahead, just little drone's in a follow me mode, so it's doing its job and it's following me. It's just not recording the audio through the phone. And I'm just kind of going on about the big rocks and having it follow me around, doing nothing, goofing off. See Pat over there, my sister, over there to the right, kind of showing her how the drone operates, and got a really good picture on it. This is a Hover X1 drone. It's got several different kind of selfie modes to it. Pretty cool. See me there holding the phone up, talking about it's supposed to be recording audio through the phone, but obviously it didn't. Now I'm over here talking about how many thousands of years these rocks have been perched up here together and how well balanced they are. And now I'm going to make a joke as I lean on this rock. Now watch it fall over because I touched it. Anyway,